Let's face it, exhausting yourself chasing solutions for exhaustion is a fool's errand, and also very unnecessary. Because I'm about to show you something that will genuinely change the way you rest and recover. Meet DUSQ, the world's only true sleep regulation device. It is to sleep what a physio is to an athlete. Small enough to sleep on and light enough to ignore. It sits here, just behind the ear, where the vagus and vestibular nerve and skin interface is at its thinnest, held in place by a reusable patch. Now DUSQ won't knock you out, but it will eliminate what keeps you up. And will do this in a way that is personalized to you, unfailingly. Most people don't realize this, but your nervous system fragments your sleep, causing over 20 micro disruptions a night. Every other product on the market only watches this happen and unhelpfully gives it a score. DUSQ not only senses each disruption as it occurs, but autonomously calms it in real time by stimulating the vagus nerve, pulling you back into deep sleep before you surface. The net effect, of course, is that your sleep remains unbroken, night after night. You begin sleeping like you didn't even remember was possible. In fact, DUSQ builds your resilience to disruptions so effectively, you may eventually not need it at all. It is planned obsolescence in the best possible way. Now I'm going to step outside the science for a moment, because this is a product born from necessity, my own. I'm no stranger to serious battles with health. As only a teenager, I was diagnosed with lupus. In my 20s, cancer. Two life-altering diagnoses quickly taught me that poor sleep is the root cause of far more chronic illnesses than we give it credit for. I put all my time into finding a solution that didn't just measure sleep, but actually fixed it. We've built DUSQ on years of refusing to accept anything but real proven results. It wasn't easy getting here. It took more iterations than we've kept track of. Trying, failing, and then trying again. But today, over 2,000 real users sleep better with empirically measured markers. 2 clinical trials and 2 studies are already underway. This is the only true closed-loop regulation system, and nothing else like it exists. And that's not even the full picture. There's something nobody in this space is even talking about. Sleep does not really begin at bedtime. Sleep starts at dusk. You see, your body primes itself for sleep the moment the sun begins to set. Putting your DUSQ on at dusk draws you into a state of progressive calm, so that by bedtime, your nervous system is effortlessly ready to switch off. DUSQ ships this August. Be amongst the first to experience what regulated sleep feels like. Sleep that isn't tracked or scored, but felt. One click on the link below to secure early access. Back us today. Come August, sleep like you never have before.